Want to turn math time into playtime? Grab some dominoes and let's get subtracting. Here's a super fun activity to help your young learner master subtraction. It's called Domino Subtraction. First, have your child pick a domino. They'll count the dots on each side. Got it? Great. Now, start with the larger number of dots. Then subtract the smaller number from it. For example, if one side has 5 dots and the other has 2, they'll write 5, 2 equals 3. Easy peasy. To mix things up, you can even use number cards to match the equations. This hands-on activity not only makes learning subtraction fun, but also helps develop a strong understanding of the concept. So, grab those dominoes and let the learning begin. Happy subtracting!